Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. The triangle pattern. However, the sellers immediately rejected the coin price, and the long wick candle formation highlights that the support is flipped to support. The renewed selling pressure could slump the altcoin BY 16%, bringing it back to the January low support at $2. Alternately, if the buyers could push the coin price above the $2.4 mark, the resulting fakeout would surge the price to $2.8. Technical indicator: the buyers lost their last line of EMA DEFENSC, i.e., 200, providing an excellent edge for short sellers. Moreover, a negative crossover of the 50 and 100 EMA intensifies the selling momentum. The MACD indicator shows that the fast and slow are gradually lower in the bearish territory, indicating the sellers dominate. Resistance level: $2.4, $2.8 support level. $2, $1.7 and second use today is when sell Bitcoin, Ethereum or Doge. This say Elon Musk, Chief Executive Officer, CEO of Tesla, and a tweet in Monday, shares his concerns over the rising rate of inflation as a result of the escalating Russian-Ukraine crisis. However, despite the rising in legal action against the firm for failure to comply with the ban, this undertaking represents a legally enforceable commitment by Binance to the OSC. The OSC reserves the right to take enforcement action against Binance for any past, present or future breaches of Ontario securities law, not arising from the events described in the undertaking. The OSC said in a separate statement. Only 6 crypto exchanges approved so far by the OSC. So far, Ontario's security regulator has approved only 6 crypto exchanges to operate in the province, with all of them being local operators. Canada does not have a national securities regulator, with each province managing its own capital markets. The OSC is the country's largest, and also regulates the benchmark Toronto Stock Exchange. Binance is still allowed to operate in Canada's other provinces. A parallel between the current market action and Bitcoin's role as sovereign money in a world heavily impacted by war and sanctions. According to the crypto exchange Bitfinex, the war in Ukraine could prove to be the first great test case for Bitcoin. At 1550 UTC on Tuesday, BTC stood at United States dollars 43,639, up 7% for the day and almost 18% for the week, after yesterday breaking through the United States dollars 40,000 mark in a strong way. The strong bullish action led to a flurry of leveraged short BTC positions being liquidated in the market. According to data from CoinGlass, liquidations reached a peak during the 12-hour period from noon to midnight on Monday, when United States dollars 119 meters in BTC short positions were liquidated, as the price surged well above the United States dollars 40,000 level. According to the crypto research and investment firm CoinShares, digital asset investment products saw inflows of United States dollars 36 meters last week, despite the tensions in Ukraine, which turned into a full-scale war on Thursday. Out of this total, United States dollars 17 meters were added to Bitcoin investment products, marking its 5th consecutive week of inflows, the firm wrote. It's worth noting that the inflows were smaller than a week ago, when United States dollars 109 meters flowed into digital asset investment products in total, and United States dollars 89 meters of those went to Bitcoin-backed products. Commenting on Bitcoin's current setup from a technical analysis standpoint, Hong Kong-based crypto financial services firm Babel Finance said in its latest weekly report that the United States dollars 40,000 mark will be a watershed for Bitcoin, and that it could indicate further bullishness in the near term. In the short term, United States dollars 40,000 will become a watershed. That is to say, more traders may be mobilized if the price can return to above United States dollars 40,000, the firm said in its report, which was published just before BTC broke through the key level. Meanwhile, others focused on how the latest gains for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market have come at a time when stocks have seen mixed performance, which they said could point to a decoupling of the two asset classes. We have seen crypto be correlated closely to the US stock market for months, but Bitcoin is showing signs of decoupling from this correlation in the short-term market. Satirio, an analyst at the digital asset broker Global Block, said in email comments. He added that the top cryptocurrency is likely being fueled by the narrative of being a permissionless and censorship-resistant way of transferring value, and said it is fascinating that it has even outperformed the traditional safe haven gold. A similar sentiment was also shared by Mikkel Morch, executive director and risk management at crypto hedge fund ARK36, who said a potential decoupling from risk assets is taking place, and that Bitcoin is gaining prominence as censorship-resistant money. But we, therefore, seeing the beginnings of a wider acceptance of Bitcoin as a hedge not only for investors, but also for ordinary citizens, Morch said, before adding, "We will know for sure on the other side of this crisis, but we can already say that we're currently witnessing historical power. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task." Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There's a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price. Level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.